Hey everybody, this is Ken from RecPro, and today we're going to go over how to install your RecPro modular furniture. The process will be more or less the same between the powered and the non-powered. The only difference would be the wire hookups. This whole process should take you about 10 to 15 minutes. Your time might vary depending on whether or not you're taking out your old furniture or have the space already prepared. Please keep in mind, this process will be the same whether it's in the modular furniture or the single recliner in powered or manual. While a single person can do this, we always recommend and suggest that you have a second pair of hands just to make it easier on yourself. Let's get straight into it. Once you're done boxing your furniture, you'll want to carry it into your RV. This is where the second pair of hands comes into play. Our furniture is designed to fit through a 22-inch camper door. Now assemble your middle console if you have one. If you don't, skip to the time code in the middle of the screen. To assemble the console, line the holes on the base of the console with the holes on the back of the console. Then use the thumb screws that are included to tighten it down and secure it into place. Now go ahead and assemble your chairs. If you only got the 30-inch powered, you'd only have to do this once. If you have a 30-inch manual recliner, you'll just need to put it into place and you're all done. To assemble the chairs, all you would have to do is slide the metal bracket on the base of the chair into the metal holders on the back of the chair. You should hear a clicking sound when the back of the chair is fully attached. This will have to be done for each modular piece that you have. If for any reason you need to take the back of your chair off, pull up on the two tabs, one on each side, and then lift the back of this chair straight up. Now get your furniture roughly into place. If you have a manual, skip to the time code on the screen. If you have a power, you'll need to continue watching this part to see how to plug your furniture in. To wire your furniture up, we recommend tilting the furniture up to have an easier access. Then you'll just need to slot your extension cord or your Y-splitter into the furniture, clip and lock them into place. You'll need to repeat this process for each side of your powered modular recliners. Now go ahead and attach the furniture wire into the power block. Use an extension if needed. Now go ahead and plug your furniture cord into the wall. At this point, go ahead and get all your furniture into place. This includes your center consoles if you have them. For each modular piece, lift up the male side and slide it down into the female side. Then push the male side back to secure it into place. Go ahead and repeat this process for all of the modular pieces you have. As you can see, this is a quick and easy install, and again, it should only take you about 10 to 15 minutes. If you would like to know more about the product, click the link in the description below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.